I know. Two bad words: crypto taxes. You don't want to hear it. You don't want to talk about it, but hey, you're watching a video about it. So crypto tax season is coming. Are you ready? We're going to talk about the variables in that, the things that in my opinion need to be doing. I'm not a tax accountant. I'm not an illegal. This is not legal advice. This is not tax advice. But just make you aware of a few things you need to know about. Okay. So here in the United States, taxes are due April 15th. Everybody knows that. If you've been trading in buying and selling crypto in 2022, and if you made any profits, you owe taxes on the profits. If you bought Bitcoin, if you bought $1,000 of Bitcoin and when you sold it, you made, that 1,000 turned into 2,000 in this example, you got your cost basis back and you sold it. The key is that you bought it and sold it. And if you made $1,000 profit, you owe taxes on that $1,000, and usually it's 35 to 37%. So you would owe $350 to $370 on that $1,000 profit that you made. Okay. Here's the thing: you have two sides of the equation when from a tax standpoint. You have centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Crypto.com, and then you have decentralized exchanges like where you're trading with a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet, and you're using PancakeSwap or Uniswap, and you're doing decentralized trading. The same thing that I just said a minute ago about Bitcoin and where you owe profits applies to both sides of those equations. Okay. So if you made profits on the DeFi world, if you made profits on the centralized world, you owe taxes on those profits. I realize that's a bad, that you don't want to hear that, but that is the truth. And the key is that it's up to you how you want to deal with that. Now, there are softwares out there that can help you with this. One of them I know about was Coinly. There's some out there that are out there that will help you kind of, get all your transactions in and kind of go through them. And I will tell you that, I've seen some of those. Some of them work, some of them they're not. Some of them are good. Some of them they're not as good as others, but you need to get your tax house in order. And ultimately, my message is really simple. If you made profits, you owe taxes. Because here's the thing: I don't want to be the, like the doom and gloom guy, but it is what it is. And if you think you're going to try to get away with something, you're always kind of risking that. There's risk there, right? I've always been like, if I make profit, I pay taxes. That's just kind of who I am. And, profits are part of the financial markets. If you buy and sell on the stock side of it, if you make profits, you owe taxes. This is just one of those things. So, crypto tax season is coming, and you might want to be looking at, are you ready? Okay. So that's what I got for you. I'll see you. Bye.